You are scrolling through Fiverr right now, and you see someone charging $300 for a few graphics. You think to yourself, there is no way that is real. But it is. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to do the same thing using nothing but free AI tools and a laptop. No design experience, no expensive software, no art degree. Just AI, a free account, and the system I am about to show you. And stay until the very end because I am going to show you the single most important trick that gets your first client within 48 hours. Most people never figure this out, and it is the reason they give up before they ever earn a single dollar. Before we start, comment right now and tell me, have you ever paid someone for a graphic design or a thumbnail? I want to know. Drop it in the comments.
First, let me tell you something that most people in the design world do not want you to know. 5 years ago, becoming a graphic designer took years of learning expensive software like Photoshop and Illustrator. You needed a portfolio, a degree, and years of practice before anyone would pay you. Today, that entire barrier has been destroyed by AI. Tools like Canva, Adobe Firefly, and Microsoft Designer have made it possible for a complete beginner to produce professional, quality graphics in under 10 minutes. And the market has not caught up yet. Most businesses still think good design is expensive and hard to find. That gap between what they believe and what is now possible with AI, that gap is your opportunity. Let me show you exactly what the demand looks like right now. I am on Fiverr right now and I want to show you exactly what the market looks like. I am searching for thumbnail design. Look at these results. This seller has over 2,000 reviews, charging $30 per thumbnail. At just 5 thumbnails a day, that is $150 daily, over $2,000 a month from one simple service. The seller here is charging $55 per logo and has over 4,000 reviews. And this one is charging $150 for a complete brand kit. Every single one of these services can be delivered using free AI tools in under 30 minutes. This is the market you are entering today.
Now you have seen the proof with your own eyes. Real people, real reviews, real money. From simple design services that anyone can deliver using free AI tools. And here is the part that most people miss completely. These sellers are not professional designers. They are not using expensive software. They are using the exact same free tools I'm about to show you right now. The only difference between them and someone who has not started yet is that they took action. That is it. Let me show you exactly how to do what they are doing, starting with the most powerful free design tool available today.
This is Adobe Firefly, completely free with a free Adobe account. No card needed. Watch what happens when I type a simple description. I am typing futuristic AI robot with glowing blue eyes on dark background. Look at what it generates in seconds. Completely unique professional quality AI images that I can use in any design. No photographer. No stock photo subscription. No copyright issues. Just a text description and a free tool. I take any of these images directly into Canva and build a complete thumbnail around them in minutes. Now let me show you the exact services you should be selling and exactly how much to charge for each one. Service 1 is YouTube thumbnails. Every YouTuber on the platform needs a new thumbnail for every single video they upload. The demand is literally endless. Charge $10 to $30 per thumbnail as a beginner. Deliver in 24 hours. Use Canva plus Adobe Firefly. Your cost $0. Your time 15 minutes per thumbnail. Service 2 is logo design. Small businesses, new startups, and content creators constantly need logos. Use Canvas Logo Maker combined with Adobe Firefly to generate unique concepts. Charge $30 to $100 per logo package. Your cost $0. Your time 30 minutes. Service 3 is social media graphic packages. Businesses need consistent graphics for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Package 10 graphics together and charge $50 to $150 per package. Your cost $0. Your time 1 hour. Service 4 is brand kits. This is the highest earning service. A brand kit includes a logo, color palette, font selection, business card design, and social media templates all packaged together. Charge $100 to $300 per brand kit. Your cost $0. Your time 2 to 3 hours. I am on Fiverr now and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your first gig. I am clicking create a new gig. For the title I am typing I will design a professional YouTube thumbnail using AI in 24 hours. For category I am selecting graphics and design, then social media design. For pricing, basic package at $15 for 1 thumbnail with today delivery. Standard at $35 for 3 thumbnails with 1-day delivery. Premium at $60 for 5 thumbnails with same-day delivery. For the description I create high-quality eye-catching thumbnails using professional AI design tools. Fast delivery. Unlimited revisions. Click-worthy designs guaranteed. For tags, YouTube thumbnail, thumbnail design, AI design, graphic design, Canva design, and most importantly, I am uploading 3 portfolio samples as my gig images. This is what gets buyers to click your gig over every other seller.
Now I'm going to show you the single most important trick that gets your first client within 48 hours. I promised you this at the beginning, and here it is. Most people create a Fiverr gig and then sit and wait. They check their phone every hour, wondering why nobody is ordering. That is the wrong approach completely. Here's what you do instead. On Fiverr, there is a section called Buyer Requests. Go there every single morning and every single evening. You will see real people posting exactly what they need right now. A thumbnail for this topic, a logo for this brand, graphics for this campaign. Send a personal offer to every single relevant request. 3 sentences. Show you understand what they need. Attach 1 relevant sample. Offer a small discount for their first review. Do this consistently for 48 hours and you will have your first order. I have seen complete beginners land their first client within 24 hours using exactly this method.
This is Canva completely free. No card required. I am going to show you how fast you can create a professional YouTube thumbnail from scratch. I am clicking create a design and selecting YouTube thumbnail. Look at all these free templates, hundreds of them. Professionally designed. Completely free. I am picking this dark template here and watch how fast I customize it. I am changing the text done. Swapping the image for a free AI generated one from Canva's own library done. Adjusting the colors done. That entire process took under 3 minutes. This is what you are going to be selling on Fiverr or for $15 to $50 per piece. Let me be completely honest with you about what to expect in the first 2 weeks. You will send offers on Fiverr and some will be ignored. That is normal. You will create gigs and they will have 0 views at first. That is also normal. The platform takes time to index new sellers. But here is what I want you to understand: every offer you send is a data point. Every gig impression is momentum building. The people who succeed on Fiverr are not the most talented designers. They are the most consistent ones. The ones who send 10 offers every single morning without fail. The ones who refine their gig description after every rejection. The ones who treat it like a real business from day one. You now have everything you need to start today. Free tools. A clear service offering. Exact prices. A setup guide. And the 48-hour trick to get your first client faster than anyone else. You now have everything you need to start earning with AI graphic design today. Go to Canva right now. Create 3 sample thumbnails. Upload them to a new Fiverr gig. Then go to Buyer Requests and send your first 5 offers tonight. The people earning $300 per design did not start there. They started exactly where you are right now with 0 clients, 0 reviews, and a free Canva account. The only thing that separates where you are from where they are is time and consistency. If this video helped you, please subscribe right now because I post one new AI money-making strategy every single day. Comment below and tell me which service are you going to start with: thumbnails, logos, social media graphics, or brand kits. I read every single comment and I will personally reply to everyone. Watch the next video on screen right now. It covers the next way to earn money with AI and you absolutely do not want to miss it.